welcome back, y'all. So today I'm gonna put everything together. I'm gonna go ahead and decorate my classroom because y'all, my classroom looks so dead, but I am in the Christmas spirit. I just have not had a chance to go out and get anything and put Christmas decor up. Like when I walk down the house, I see other people who have trees in their room and all that, and I have nothing. Like, this is all I have in my classroom right now. This little penguin telling us we got 16 more days until Christmas. So I just want to decorate my classroom so it can actually look like I'm in the spirit. And that might uplift some kids who might be down too. So yeah, I'm about to go ahead and jump into decorating. I only got 25 minutes and I got to move that couch all the way across the room. I got to put the tree right there and I got to put up all this decor. So let me go ahead and get started because I don't have much time.
Lots of toys, all for the little ones' Christmas joys. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Up on the housetop, click, 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 down through the chimney with good Saint
So I finished my tree. What y'all think? It's so cute, y'all. Let me give you a better look. Oh, let me say this. I left my hooks at home. I don't know what I was thinking about. I was rushing this morning and forgot the hooks. But I'm at a school, so I got paper clips. And they work for now. I mean, if they start falling, then I replace it. But really, I think they good because they look good. So anyway, let me show you a close-up of my tree. It's so pretty. And then, y'all, I used a flower for the topper. Even though I got flowers throughout it. It's so cute. Yeah, one of my students walked in and said my tree bald-headed in the back because I don't have many ornaments. I only put that many. But ain't nobody looking in the back anyway, so I really don't need ornaments in the back. So anyway, comment down below. What do y'all think about my tree? It's so cute, y'all. I just love it. Thought about getting some more of these little things right here, but I think it's good how it is. All right, y'all, I'm about to get up out of here because it's past 3 o'clock. It's like 3:30 according to that time in the hallway. Wait, is that right? Yeah, it's 3:27, so your girl got to go. Oh yeah, before I go, I had to show y'all what I did on my desk. It's really not that big of a deal. I mean, I just put a nutcracker in the deer. And that little penguin was already there. But y'all, my room is so cute now.
Leaving the gym. Gotta hit that gym, man. Gotta hit that gym, baby. I ain't gonna hold y'all too long, man. I'm gonna try to hurry up and get to the crib because it's like 10 o'clock. I still got work to do. I got the meal prep for me and my lady. I'm gonna go ahead and meal prep for us today. Probably gonna meal prep until Wednesday. I'm not gonna say we trying to eat better because we do. We eat great during the week, you feel me? But be real with y'all. We went on this like pescatarian diet where we didn't eat any meat for like a whole year, and we felt better than we feel now. And also I feel like it just was a lot of benefits, like from our skin to we weren't bloated all the time, you know what I mean? Like it's a lot of benefits to going pescatarian, even though that's, some people say that's not really truly not eating meat, but try it. It's harder than it sounds, bro. But we finna probably tap back into that, like the health benefits of it, man, you know what I'm saying? Me personally, I did my research and I believe that cutting out meat can add more quality to your life, man. Like straight up. But anyway, I'm on the way to the crib, man. You know what I mean? And I just got a question for you guys, man. This Vlogmas day 10. And what I want to know is this right here, bro. What are you willing to sacrifice to reach your full potential in life, bro. Because you gotta sacrifice something. You feel me? You gotta be obedient and you gotta sacrifice something. So what are you willing to sacrifice? Think about that tonight, bro. While you laying down next to your wife, before you put your kids to sleep, you know what I'm saying? Before you make dinner or eat dinner, whatever it is, bro, just think about that. What are you willing to sacrifice in order to reach your full potential in life, bro? Me, nigga, I sacrifice my life. For freedom, nigga, I sacrifice my life. You did what I'm saying, nigga? Yeah. A lot of people think it's about money, cars, clothes, and all that. Nah, it ain't about that for me. It's about being able to wake up and do whatever I want to do, bro. And for that, I want that more than I want to breathe. I mean that shit. So if it means that I don't get but 2 hours of sleep a day, okay. I don't need no sleep. Sleep the cousin of death anyway. You know what I'm saying? You mess around and sleep too long, you might end up dead. So nah, I sacrifice that. You feel me? But I want to know what y'all are sacrificing. Think about it. Let me get to the crib.
All right, y'all. So I've been home for a while. I didn't pick up the camera because I had a whole lot on the agenda, but I just want y'all to see, like, I'm editing. My baby just finished cooking. His plate look better than mine, though. Let me show you your plate, babe. Ooh. I think you did good. I don't know. I haven't tasted it yet. The ones you made the night before last, not last night. What we eat last night? It wasn't this. It wasn't salmon. What we eat? Pizza. Okay, so it was the night before last. No, but we went out. It was Friday night. Friday night we had salmon. And y'all, it was so good. I'm starving, and plus I'm still editing this. So yeah, I'm about to go ahead and eat this so I can get in bed, call it a night. Babe, thank you for dinner.
What's up? No problem. YouTube. DQ family, what up though? So, y'all know how I get down, man. I'm cute, always transparent with y'all. Man, last night, bro, we were up all night working, creating content, bro. Fell asleep on the sofa again. And I like to document these things, man, because I want people to see the ins and outs of building an empire, if you dig what I'm saying. But it's Vlogmas Day 10. What y'all hear in the background, man, that's me making my lady some coffee. Because it's morning time, you know what I'm saying? So we finna get ready to start our day. But it's Vlogmas Day 10, but it's also Vlogmas Day 11, if you dig what I'm saying. But anyway, yeah, so I just want to get up here and end it though, man. I didn't want to leave y'all hanging, man. So appreciate you guys for watching, man. If I can give you guys any motivational words for this vlog right here, man, I'm just gonna say, like, God is still good. What in the world? Bro, he been passing gas all night. I gotta put him outside, gang. Hold on, he gotta go out the door. He got to use the bathroom. Yeah, man, like I was just saying, bro, this dog, cause like I said last night, me and Quona, we fell asleep on the couch, so all night I had been hearing things, bro, like, you know, so I'm like, what is that? And that was Diego, bro. He's very gassy. I don't know. I fed him the same food, but he's very gassy. He been doing it all night, so I know he gotta use the restroom. But yeah, man, like I was saying before, he rudely just interrupted me, bro. If I could give y'all any motivation for this vlog, bro, just know God is still good. God is still able. No matter what you're going through, no matter what your circumstances are, man, it just really doesn't matter. You gotta keep your hand in God's hands. And believe it or not, it's way easier to do it when everything is going good. But God wants us to do it all the time. Whether it's good, whether it's bad, no matter the situation, no matter the circumstances, God wants us to trust and believe in Him. You know what I'm saying? And not to put y'all in our business too much, but last night we got some disturbing news, you know what I'm saying, about a family member. But even though we may feel a certain kind of pain, bro, we still gotta trust God, and we still gotta believe that God will mend and heal all broken hearts. You feel me? But yeah, man. Anyway, I don't know. It just seemed like around by this time, it's like we ain't gonna harp on it though, man. But I'm finna get ready to go. My baby, she upstairs getting ready for work, man. And claim your day, bro. Claim your day. You feel me? No matter what you're going through, no matter what it is, man, claim your day. Write your thoughts down. Meditate, pray, all that good stuff. That's what's been helping keep me grounded. You feel me? yeah, so Vlogmas Day 10, it's a wrap. We love y'all. Make sure y'all join the DQ family, man, by liking the video, commenting, you feel me? Subscribing to the channel, ring that bell, make sure you hit all. We gonna catch y'all on Vlogmas Day 11, man. You feel me? Which gonna be tomorrow, man. You feel me? Yeah. Love y'all, man. Y'all love me too. Do what I told you to do. You feel me? Catch y'all on the flip. Let's get it.